AI TRiSM ensures AI systems are trustworthy, secure, and reliable, minimizing risks for users and organizations. Trust, risk, and security management are critical components of the AI TRiSM framework for responsible AI deployment. Implementing AI TRiSM helps mitigate biases in AI models, promoting fairness and preventing discriminatory outcomes. AI TRiSM enhances transparency and accountability, making AI decisions more understandable and justifiable for users. Continuous monitoring in AI TRiSM ensures AI models remain accurate, relevant, and aligned with organizational goals. Robust security protocols in AI TRiSM protect AI systems from cyber threats and data breaches. AI TRiSM addresses ethical concerns, ensuring AI systems operate within the bounds of privacy regulations. AI TRiSM fosters trust by ensuring AI systems are transparent, fair, and secure, encouraging broader adoption. Explainable AI is a key technology in AI TRiSM, enhancing the interpretability and transparency of AI decisions. Privacy-preserving techniques in AI TRiSM safeguard sensitive data while enabling continuous AI learning and improvement. AI TRiSM plays a crucial role in overcoming challenges associated with the rapid adoption of AI technologies. AI TRiSM in healthcare ensures diagnostic tools and treatment recommendations are accurate, unbiased, and secure. In finance, AI TRiSM promotes transparency and compliance, preventing fraud and fostering customer trust. AI TRiSM enhances customer experience in retail by ensuring fair and transparent personalized recommendations. Governments can leverage AI TRiSM to ensure AI-driven public services are transparent, accountable, and secure. Implementing AI TRiSM in manufacturing ensures AI-driven automation operates reliably and securely, enhancing productivity. AI TRiSM helps organizations navigate the complex landscape of AI regulations and standards, ensuring compliance. The future of AI TRiSM involves integrating ethical AI principles into development and deployment processes. AI TRiSM collaboration between industry and regulatory bodies will drive the standardization of practices across sectors. Proactive risk management within AI TRiSM identifies and mitigates potential risks in AI systems before they escalate.